So if you're having your sound drivers not working, in this sense, how can you get to tell that your sound drivers are not working or are not installed onto your computer? In case you get to see here when you're having an X onto the sound icon over here, that means that your sound drivers are not installed onto your computer, or those that are installed can't enable sound to play onto your computer. So what are you supposed to do? You need to go here onto the search bar and get to type Windows updates. I'm messing around. Updates. So once you're done, get to run it. Enter. Oh, no. Here's how we're gonna do this. Check for updates. I'm sorry for that. So when you get over here, get to check for the drivers that are missing on your computer. Install all the drivers that are missing on your computer and everything will just work right. You'll get to see sound working again the way you want it to be playing, and you'll be good to go. Thank you.